Airlines revolutionized their luggage policies in 2025, causing travelers to lose time, money, and even bags. Yet these 11 expert-backed tips will help you outsmart the system. Airlines may not inform you, but I'm here to share crucial advice. Especially tip number 5. It's so sneaky, it could be considered illegal. With stricter TSA regulations, rising baggage mishandling rates, and hidden airline fees, 2025 travel can feel treacherous. I've helped over 3 million travelers avoid mishaps, and today you'll discover the best strategies to protect your luggage, avoid fines, and keep your belongings safe. Tip 1. Tag smartly. Use both GPS and visual tags. In 2025, luggage mishandling has risen by 12%, mainly during connecting flights. A simple mistake from a busy baggage crew can reroute your suitcase far from its destination. This is why depending solely on the airline's tracking system carries risks. Before your next journey, place an AirTag or tile tracker inside your luggage. These Bluetooth trackers will provide real-time updates, even if the airline fails to do so. Additionally, attach a QR code luggage tag outside, linking it to a digital contact card or hotel reservation. If the tag gets lost, ground staff can still contact you easily. Do you use AirTags or tiles? Let me know with a light bulb emoji in the comments. Tip 2. Steer clear of luggage blackout hubs. Not every airport treats luggage with care. Based on recent IATA 2025 data, overnight flights through Los Angeles, JFK, and Frankfurt see the most luggage disappearances. These busy hubs are overwhelmed, causing misrouted bags to surge during late-night operations. To minimize risk, try to avoid layovers at these heavy traffic airports whenever possible. When booking, look for flights connecting through smaller, efficient airports. If you must pass through one of these hubs, allow extra time for connections and ensure your bag is checked through to your final destination. Have you ever lost your luggage at one of these airports? Share your experience in the comments. Tip 3. Airlines are monitoring weight more closely now. In 2025, they utilize ultra-precise digital scales to catch even slight baggage overages. Being just 1 pound over can cost you at least $50. They won't care if it's just your toiletries either. Always carry a pocket-sized digital luggage scale. Weigh your bag before you leave home and again at the airport after adding any souvenirs or duty-free items. Here's a clever traveler trick. Shift heavier items like jackets or laptops into your carry-on, or simply wear them when going through security. This move could save you from unexpected fees at the gate. Have you been hit with an overweight bag fee? Share a suitcase emoji if you've experienced this. Tip 4. Make sure your locks are TSA approved. The unfortunate truth is that cheap luggage locks are not only easy to break, they're a tempting target. Baggage handlers know they won't hold, and TSA may even cut them if they aren't approved. Enter the TSA-approved smart lock. These are next-gen. They notify your phone immediately if your suitcase is accessed, whether by TSA or another person. They're secure and significantly lower the risk of theft. Here's why it's essential. Most baggage theft occurs within 90 minutes of check-in, when your bag is left unattended. Have you lost something from your luggage? Comment "locked" if you're upgrading your locks. Tip 5. Dirty laundry can deter thieves. It may sound odd, but it's surprisingly effective. Some frequent travelers swear by placing a layer of clean but worn clothing at the top of their checked bags. Why does it work? Bag thieves often search hastily, and the sight and smell of used socks can be a huge deterrent. To avoid odors, use a sealed vacuum bag for your actual dirty laundry. Keeping the decoy layer on top creates enough visual disgust to fend off from sticky fingers from your hidden valuables. Strange? Sure. Effective? Absolutely. Would you try this trick? Type "savage" if you're bold enough. Tip 6. Your airline credit card may provide hidden baggage benefits worth up to $500, yet most travelers have no idea. Cards like the Amex Platinum or Chase Sapphire Reserve often include coverage for lost, delayed, or damaged bags, along with cash payouts for delays exceeding 6 hours. The downside? This information is buried in the fine print. If you're unaware, you could miss out on a financial payout. Before buying travel insurance, check your card's benefits guide. You might already be covered. Have you tapped into these hidden perks? Comment "free money" if you have or want access. Tip 7. Double tag your luggage for added protection. Imagine losing your bag and the tag goes missing. How will it be returned? Usually it doesn't. Here's what you can do. Always double tag your luggage. Use a sturdy external tag with your details and include a printed card inside your bag with your name, phone number, and hotel address. If the outer tag gets ripped off, a scenario that happens with 15% of baggage transfers, you'll still have a chance. That internal tag could be your suitcase's ticket home. Have you ever lost a luggage tag? Type "found" if this tip just saved you. Tip 8. Avoid the first bag free trap. This is a common travel bait and switch in 2025. The so-called first checked bag free perk often only applies to main cabin or premium fares. For basic economy travelers, that first bag can cost $45 to $65 or even more each way. Always check what's included before finalizing your booking. Look closely at fare class details. Don't just trust the headlines. Have you been misled like this? Comment "scam alert" if you've been caught off guard. Tip 9. Photograph your luggage contents. Do it now. Let's say your bag disappears and you're left to file a claim without proof of your packed belongings. Most travelers end up losing money this way. Here's the solution. Take 3 simple pictures before closing your bag. Snap one with the bag wide open, another of the luggage tag, and a final shot of the closed bag. This photo documentation can speed up airline reimbursements by up to 5 times. Some insurers might even refuse to process your claim without proof. Pro tip: create a folder on your phone called Travel Receipts 2025 and save those photos there. You'll be grateful later. Have you had to fight an airline for reimbursement? Comment "proof saves" if you now plan to start taking photos. Tip 10. Protect your bag's weakest point, its wheels. Many travelers focus on zippers, but wheels often break first. Unfortunately, airlines rarely reimburse unless you demonstrate they were intact before check-in. 1 in 4 baggage claims now involves broken wheels. Here's the solution. Install wheel protectors. They absorb impact from conveyor belts and rough handling. And before you hand over your bag, snap a time-stamped photo of all 4 wheels. This minor action could save you money and headaches. Have you ever had a suitcase ruined by broken wheels? That's such a hassle. Comment "rolling rage" if this tip was a little too late. Tip 11. Use the fragile sticker trick. Want your bag to be the first off the plane without paying for priority handling? Here's how. Just request a fragile label from the check-in agent. Most ground teams will load fragile labeled bags last, which means they're unloaded first at baggage claim. It doesn't always work, but in 2025, this hack wins about 80% of the time. Plus, it may encourage handlers to treat your bag more gently. Just don't put anything fragile inside unless your dirty laundry counts. Have you tried the fragile sticker trick? Type "first out" if it's worked for you. Bonus tip. Get cash for delayed bags. Here's a financial tip airlines wish you wouldn't learn. If your checked bag is delayed for more than 4 hours, some carriers owe you as much as $100 per day. This is known as delayed baggage reimbursement. You won't find it advertised. It's often hidden in the fine print, even outside of Europe. If your bag is missing, don't just wait. Head to the service desk and inquire about compensation. The squeaky wheel gets the cash, after all. Will you ask for this payout? Type "show me the money" if so. What tip surprised you today? Was it the smart lock, the fake laundry trick, or the fragile label? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. If you faced a luggage nightmare, I want to hear your story. If you learned something new today, give a like and subscribe for more daily travel tips that airlines would prefer remain under the radar.